Ready to ditch the drive-thru delays and unlock app-exclusive deals? First, fire up that McDonald's app and ensure you're logged in if it's your first time. Take a quick moment to register. It's worth it. Now, before you even head to McDonald's, browse the menu and customize your order. This saves you precious seconds at the speaker. Don't forget to activate any available deals or rewards. Tap the Deals section or McDonald's rewards to see what's up for grabs. Just click Add to Mobile Order to apply them. Once you've built your perfect order, hit that Mobile Order button. You'll see a confirmation screen with all the details of your meal. Now, this is key when you're near the McDonald's. Choose Drive-Thru as your order method. The app will then ask you to select your restaurant. Pick the McDonald's you're currently visiting. This lets the crew know you're on your way. As you approach the Drive-Thru speaker, the app will generate a unique code or QR code. When you reach the speaker, simply announce, "I have a mobile order," and show the crew member the code on your phone. They'll scan it and confirm your order. Pay directly through the app. It's quick, contactless, and avoids any fumbling for cash. Collect your order at the window and enjoy your meal. Using the app in the Drive-Thru is a game changer. It's fast, convenient, and unlocks exclusive rewards. Happy ordering!